Hi, my name is Chris Phillips. Welcome to Crispy Bombs, bite-sized bits to blow up your business. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of developing good relationships with influential people. When you think about it, would you spend $100 to get a new customer? I can tell you as a window cleaner, I would spend that all day long because I know over the next few seasons, the next few years, that is going to turn into thousands of dollars of revenue for me. Um, so let me ask you a question. Would you spend $1,000 today to get a VIP influencer on board? Um, at Birds Beware, I took a lot of time and I took a lot of money to develop relationships with influential people. And I'm talking about property maintenance company people, killer real estate agents, people like that. I had one property maintenance guy that produced at least, every year consistently over $25,000 a year for us in revenue. So my point is here, don't be afraid to spend the money here. Offer these people, offer to take them out to lunch. Go to their business, their place of business, and buy everybody a pizza party every Friday for a month. Make a name for yourself. Be generous and develop these relationships. But this is a long play. It does take a little bit of time to get there. So here's what I recommend for you to do. Just to start out with, especially if you're small, you're going to want to make a list of your top 5 prospects. The top 5 people that can get you a ton of business. Make a folder for each of these people and then spend the next 30 days putting time and effort in getting to know them. It's really your job to figure out ways to make their life better. With property maintenance people, figure out a way to make them look great to their customers. This could be offering a free service to them to let them know that you're there for their best interests. One of my contacts that didn't give me any work for I think over a year, the year that I pursued him. But because of my relentlessness in my follow-up, I one day uncovered a pain point, a problem that he had, and I rushed into action. And what happened was the company that he was using, the vendor that he was using to clean gutters at this very nice condo association, had messed up the siding and the windows on this place, and it really made him look bad. And so I jumped right at it, and I had an opportunity to make him look great. And so I said, I'll have a crew over there today. We'll clean all that up, no charge, no worry. We'll just take care of you. So the whole thing cost me about $500, I guess, right around there. But guess who got the gutter cleaning job the next year? We did. That gutter cleaning job, paid $1,500. But that same year, we also washed all those condos, pressure washed them outside, and we did all the outside windows, and that paid about $10,000. If I'm throwing numbers out, I'm pretty sure that was pretty close to what it made. But so that's an example of how to really go after and pursue people, add value to them, and to make them look good to their customers. But I can caution you on one thing. One big mistake that companies make is that once you get these contacts in tow and you start doing work for them, this is when you don't want to stop pursuing the relationship at that point. It's a big no-no. This is the time that you really want to turn on the charm. The property maintenance that I got my foot in the door with by offering that free service had 15 dedicated reps, and they all managed multiple properties. In the end, at the end of the day, that one free service, coupled with me buying about 50 pizzas over about a year's time, turned into hundreds of thousands of dollars. We ended up getting multiple. We didn't get all of them, but we got about half of those property maintenance people that used us as their preferred vendor. Sadly, that account got lost after we sold the business because really nobody took the time to cultivate that friendship and develop that relationship further. So you can't rest on your laurels. Dig deep, solve hard, uncomfortable problems for people, and in the end, they will look to you when they need work done. I hope that helps, and if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe and click like. We'll see you out there, and God bless.